All right, what's happening, people? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic morning. Once again, the madness continuing here in small caps, right? 400%, runner this morning on WA. I'm just gonna call it Wafu. Make it easier for us. Call it Wafu, Waffle, whatever you want to call it. So we have Wafu up here, up 400%, and it's on no news, guys. So I mean, just this small cap market just continuing to just be, totally out of control. Really, really crazy moves once again this morning. We have HHT up about 100%, AMBO is up over 100%. So just, madness continuing. And a lot of these plays gapped up. They don't have news. Wafu doesn't have news. HHT doesn't have news. MTSL doesn't have news. So even stranger, right? No news on any of these, gappers this morning. So, but hey, volume's there, demand is there, and that's what's gonna move stocks, right? Not news. News doesn't move these plays, right? It's demand. So and we have that here on Wafu. So not really surprising, right? Some history of running. Volume's incredible, right? 5 million shares on a 1.8 million float. So we're in float rotation here on Wafu. How would I want to play this one? If it sets up like that ITRM. Remember ITRM? I believe it was ITRM was the one that went into 30, right? I believe so. There's a lot of names recently, so kind of hard to remember. I believe it was ITRM. No, it wasn't ITRM. Was it what was it? Anyone help me out here? What was that? What was that one that ran to 30? That 1 million in float stock. IMRN. There it was. I knew it was something with an I. There it was. Yeah. So I would want to see this set up just like IMRN. Float structures are kind of similar, right? They're both micro floats. I want to see the same exact thing here on IMRN. Opened up, flushes out, looks dead, then it reclaimed, 10, 30, 11. Even later the better, honestly, because, lots going on here. A lot of volume traded. I'm sure it's going to get really crowded out of the open. So I want to see it set up like this. If we set up like this on IMRN, I will 100% take this trade on Wafu for a long. If we start to, reclaim too early and go too early, I'm going to avoid it. But I'd really want to see it happen. Honestly, I'd want to see it, probably past like 10-20. I'd want to see it, a little later, 10-15, 10-20 plus. So that's what I'd want to see there on Wafu. So I'll be watching for wash trap and squeeze patterns a little bit later on this one, past like 10-15, 10-20. I'd prefer that much better. Okay, so that's really the game plan on Wafu. Yeah, Mike, it's HHT is halted here. And there we go, guys. There's Wafu pulling. So I don't mind this. I don't mind seeing Wafu pull like this at all. I have my lines mapped up on it. Got 850, then 750. Then I have 1250 resistance. $15 our top line. So I wouldn't mind seeing this come back down even a little bit lower. 840s. $8. How's the SPY looking? SPY still holding 310. A little bit. Still trying to hold there on the SPY. All right, so here comes Wafu, guys, trying to make this little red to green move, right? Fell out of the open, trying to curl back here. I won't be taking this trade here on Wafu. Too early for me. It's MTSL. Light volume, though. Really light volume, actually. Yeah, so I do hope it rejects here on Wafu. I'd like to see some consolidation, then a push after a base. Just too early for me on Wafu here. Probably going to see newsletter come in too if it starts to break out here. And HHT should be opening up soon here. If it's a 5-minute halt, been about 5 minutes. MTSL here. Has the volume looking a little better there? Still some light prints there in MTSL. Yeah, chill. Nothing just yet. Just waiting, right? We're just being patient. We're waiting. We're not chasing. Waiting for our plays to develop. Waiting for the trade to come to us. Not forcing. Yeah, George. That's what I'm looking for, man. Just that same exact chart. That same exact day on IMRN. That's what I'm looking for. Wafu. So I'm being patient. If I have to wait till 11:30, I'm fine with that, right? And at the same time, guys, I'm probably not gonna be, trying to buy a bottom here on Wafu, right? If it starts to curl, set higher lows, basing at higher levels from here, then I'll possibly consider a little starter position. But I'm not gonna be trying to time this bottom. This could, come back down to $6, So I won't be trying to, time a bottom here on Wafu. Exactly, Billy. Right? No need to be a hero. Like I said, this thing can go back to $6 and then possibly come back from there. I'm happy seeing you guys stay patient. I saw a lot of you guys saying I didn't take any trades, Nick. I'm sitting on my hands, maybe waiting for Wafu to set up. That's good. I'm happy to see that. I'm happy to see you guys, aren't forcing. You're waiting for the trades to come to you. No reason to trade every single day. You guys see here. You guys see me. I'm being quiet, just being patient here. All right, so Wafu just kind of, holding this little 750 base, going sideways at the moment, looking dead. We have, SPY kind of holding this 310 area, hasn't cracked it yet. Yeah, George, I actually just bought some more BAs. I was talking to Alex. I bought some more calls on it on this pullback for some really far out. I got some like Januaries for 2021. So just buying some long-term BA calls. Okay, guys, here comes Wafu. A little bit of a perk here. It is 10-12, so we are around that time where I said maybe you want to see some action start to step in. Still early, but so I'll see if it could pull back maybe to $8, $8.50, $8.50, $8 start to hold. I don't want to see a straight up move here all the way to 10. All right, so high watch here on Wafu here. Really hope we just don't go straight up here on Wafu. I'd like to see one more flush out, $8. I think we see maybe some bag holders start to maybe sell here, and I could look to maybe get a starter here. You guys see how we're speeding up too now, right? On Wafu. So I really want to see just one more pullback on Wafu, a pullback and hold, and I'll look to pick up some. Come on, Wafu. Don't just go straight up here. It's kind of defending this $9 line here on Wafu. There we go. Come on, give us a flush, Wafu. All right, here we go. Pulling back a little bit to 850 here. So I'm just keeping an eye on this 850 area. All right, did dabble a little small there. Did dabble small there on that pullback. And you gotta be okay, guys. You know, giving it some room. You gotta be okay giving it some room. But think about the upside, guys. If we start to reclaim 10 and squeeze, we could be seeing 14, 15 bucks on it, right? So I did pick up some there. I'll be looking to add over $10. $10 will be my my line. I'm gonna look to add. So currently averaging around 870s. Nice. Here we go. Wafu starting to speed up. Beautiful. Perfect, guys. And look what time it is, guys. Right around that 10:20 time I mentioned. Don't want to add just yet. I do want to see if 10 could really start to hold in base. Okay, I want to see 10 refresh a little bit. Start seeing 10 refresh. Come on, Wafu. Let's see. Get over that $10 mark. I want to see the bids get over 10. And listen, look at the volume, guys, too. Okay, guys. Let's see here. Come on, Wafu. I get over that $10 mark. All right, I just added some here in Wafu. There we go. Let's go, Wafu. Let's work. And guys, I'm looking for over the highs. Looking for over the highs here on Wafu to sell some. If you guys wanna be a little more conservative, you could look to lock in along the way. But we have a big float rotation stock here, 20 million shares traded. I think I could get a nice little R on this one. But obviously being smart, right? If it stuffs, it dumps. I got to be a smart trader. Can't get emotional. But guys, this is exactly what I want to see. It's doing exactly what we game planned on Wafu. And now all we need is a follow through, right? All we need is a follow through here on Wafu. So let's see if we get it. I'm in full size here on the trade. Come on, at $10. We really need 10s to refresh, guys. 10 we continue to see refresh on the bids here. If we do, shorts are going to get nervous. We could see a squeeze here. Come on, Wafu. Let's give us $12, Wafu. Give us at least 12 here. I'll look to lock in half. There we go. Let's go, Wafu. Let's work. Come on. Come on, Wafu. Let's do it. Let's do it. There we go. There's 11. Come on, Wafu. Give us 12, baby. Come on, Wafu. Pay us. It's been a while, Wafu. It's been a while since we got this big R trade. Come on. There we go. 11 started to defend. Come on, Wafu. Just need that 12. I'm going to look to lock in some around 12. Just give us a little bit more of a push here, Wafu. You're doing everything we asked for, Wafu. You're doing I couldn't ask for a better setup here, guys. I couldn't have. Come on, Wafu. Give me a little more. Ah, come on. There we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Finally, guys, we got a big one here. Guys, up 8R right now on Wafu. Up 8R right now. Let's go. Crushing it this morning. Killing it. Are we going to halt here on Wafu? I'm still holding 2,000 shares. And we are halted. Let's freaking go, baby. There we go. Finally. Let's go. Killed it, guys. We killed it here on Wafu. Wow. I couldn't ask for a better setup, guys. I'm so pumped right now. I just love seeing it when it works out perfectly, guys. I mean, if you guys go look at the pre-market analysis, I mean, it couldn't have set up any better, guys. It couldn't have set up any better. This is beautiful, guys. I'm so happy right now. I don't even care about the money. I just care about that we had a game plan. We were patient. You know, and I did something a little different today, guys. I wasn't trying to talk as much. I was trying to really focus and, you know, wait and be patient and, you know, really let the play develop. And this is I couldn't ask for anything better, guys. Right now I'm up big right now. I just, you know, I think I'm up like 9R right now. This is definitely my biggest trade of the month. This is probably the biggest trade of the year for me. So I mean, this is perfect. How many of you guys took this? Anyone else take this? I hope a couple of you guys at least took this trade. Mo, you're in? Nice. Thank you, Billy. I will. I hope Poseidon took it. Poseidon told me this morning, he's like, Nick, call it out if we get a play. And I called it out for him. I hope he took it, Poseidon. I'm kind of pissed at him. Fuck yeah, let's go. Poseidon took it. Yeah, I had about 4,000. No, Billy, don't worry, man. I did sell a little bit there. I sold some at like 12.20, and I went big. I went 4K shares. It's pretty big for pretty big. Can I hold for 20? I was thinking like 16, 17s. Maybe we'll see, guys. If I do hold, I mean, this could be like a 25R. Could be like a 25R trade. I mean, if I do hold. Yeah, this is perfect, guys. This is perfect. But be smart, guys. Be smart. Like I said, I already locked in some. When I was up 4R, I'm like, you know what? I gotta lock in some. So I think I locked like, you know, about close to 5R in. And I'm rocking with the last. I really think we could get. I don't know if I'll hold out for 20. Maybe I'll see, guys. We'll see. I'm definitely gonna lock in another 1,000 if we get up to like pre-market highs. You know, I'm hoping we gap here. You know, 14, another circuit. And we gap again. That'd be beautiful. What time are we opening? We should be opening soon. So we may be opening up in the next minute here. No matter what, guys, I'm still walking away with a big trade. You know, I already locked in almost 5R. It's big, and I'm still up 5R. So let's see. I definitely think we'll at least see 1350 here from there. You know, who knows? Let's see if it's a 5 minute. I hope they don't make us wait 10 minutes. That'd be kind of messed up. Come on, Wafu, let's open up. All right, guys, we are open here on Wafu. Here's 12 bucks. Let's see what we're going to do here on Wafu. There we go. There's 13 bucks still holding, guys. I'll let you guys know if I lock in any more. Now, I definitely want to be smart. Still holding, half of my position here. There's 13.50s coming up to 14 bucks. Let's see, still holding. I'm just going to lock in one more 1,000 shares, guys, just to lock in. I'm still holding 1K left. But up 8R on the day, still up 4R on this trade, so absolutely crushing it right now. Come on, Wafu, let's keep rolling here. Let's see if we're going to break 15 here, guys. Let's see. Here we go, guys. There's 15. There's a 15 print. Let's see if we're going to break. Come on, Wafu. Let's go. There's 15, guys. Be smart. Be smart, everyone. Be smart. I'm going to lock in 500 more. Okay, I'm holding the rest of the 500. All right. All right. I had to lock in. I had to lock in a little more, guys. I'm sorry. Been a little choppy month for you, boy. Just wanted to lock in a little bit more. Yeah, it's the biggie, guys. It's the biggie here on Wafu. All right, so I'm just rocking with 500 shares here, guys. I'm just, see what happens here on the rest. Kind of the emotions are really out of the trade now. I locked in, pretty much everything. We'll see what happens on the rest here. Yeah, you knew it, Preston. You know I was getting in there. I was waiting for this one, guys. I was waiting on this Wafu. I was stalking it like a hawk. I wasn't gonna miss this one. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I honestly get more satisfaction from just seeing a great plan work out over the P&L. I'm honest with you guys. I don't really care about the 5-figure day. I mean, I'm just more happy that I had a game plan. I was patient for it. I didn't try to pick the bottom. I waited for a little base, waited for it to speed up, took a starter, added on confirmation. It was beautiful, guys. I mean, I'm more happy about that than the P&L. If we start breaking down, I'll probably just get rid of the rest. But we'll see if we get a little bit more out of it here. So yeah, I'll probably trail the rest. If we crack 11, I'll just get rid of the rest probably, or even 11.50. Because I could see it slamming down, guys. It could definitely slam down here if we don't start to, hold. I mean, target's a met. I mean, we freaking, it's literally 100% move, guys. I mean, look at that. I mean, from 850 all the way up to the 15 bucks. I mean, that's almost a 100% move right there. Don't worry, Strider. I will. I'll post the P&L. I'll post the chart. Yeah, the chart looks a lot more prettier. It'd be nice if I could get one more arrow, at 20 bucks, right? I know. I saw you, King Nelson. You too, man. I saw you and Preston were thinking about even going long here. It was that much of a layup trade, right? We'll see if we get another leg here, guys. Honestly, don't really care what happens really from here. I mean, it would be dope if we get to 20 bucks, but if we don't, I'm still fine. Yeah, for sure. It's the best working strategy right now, guys. I mean, this is hands down. This is what you want to look for, right? You don't want to freaking buy the breakout. You don't want to buy the first 10-minute reclaim. I talked about this. Don't fall for this trap. Don't fall for this 5-minute trap. Let it die. Let it flush out, and then, play on the next go around, right? Billy, I was thinking about the early bird. There was no news on it. I saw it. I saw the volume. I'm like, this looks pretty good, but there's no news, and kind of stirred me away from it. But yeah, that would have been legendary. If I hit that morning trade on it too. Anyone still holding? Anyone still holding Wafu? K-Mac, you're still in. Mo, you're still in. But I hope you guys locked in, though. I hope you guys locked in something. Even a quarter. Lock in something, right? I mean, if you're in from 850, you really should be locking in something. But this is it, guys. I mean, this just takes one trade, right? If I didn't trade another day for the rest of the month, it would still be a solid month. I mean, that's all it takes is that one trade, that one trade. I mean, you could get a 10R, guys. You keep seeing all the options, guys, nailing these 10, 20 Rs. We could do it too, guys. Look at this. I just nailed like what is this, 12, 13 R trade on this? You can still do it in the small caps, right? So you've seen it today, and there's gonna be more opportunities to come. Deadass. You guys saw Jimmy yesterday? He was so casual. Jimmy's like, oh, Jim, you still holding any Boeing's like, yeah, I'm up 20,000%. So the way he said it was so casual. It's like another day in the office. I'm like, holy shit. Dude's up 20,000% on the Boeing calls. That guy's a monster, Jimmy. Yeah, big respect. I mean, there's no one in the game doing what they're doing. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. No one out there like them. All right, let's see if Wafu can give us one more leg here. All right, so Wafu just consolidating here, holding this $13 line. I think something's coming soon on Wafu. Either we're going to get this pull, or we're going to see another leg very shortly here on Wafu. So we're kind of making this bull flag. If we break below this flag, if we start cracking, 12 bucks on it, I'm just going to cut off the rest. That's what I'm going to do with it. All right, here we go, guys. Pushing here. We're testing 15 here. Let's see if 14 can start to hold on the bids now. So even if you guys missed Wafu, I'm sure some of you guys did, and you're a long trader. All you got to do is just, just study the chart, right? Study why Wafu ran. Look at the stats on it, right? Look at the volume it traded, right? That's all you got to do, because there will be more of these plays. There 100% will, and you just got to be ready for it. And I was ready, and I was prepared today for Wafu. You saw the same thing on IMRN, right? IMRN was the same exact setup. There was no difference. There was no difference, right? Both low floats, both, rotating their float. Both had good baseline volume. Both flushed out, put in the bottom, put in the base. Both reclaimed past 10 o'clock. Channeling your energy to get Wafu to 20. I'm taking and receiving your energy, Preston. And channel it through here on Wafu, and hopefully, it pushes it up to 20 for us. We'll see you still holding the 20 if we get there. I mean, it's easy for me to say now because I only have a couple hundred shares, but imagine I just, was holding my whole 4K position at 20 bucks. Now the 40R. I think I always say one day I'm just gonna hold my whole position, just go for the hero trade, go full on, Tony Stark. Oh man. I gotta throw on my Iron Man suit and just hold. Come on, Wafu, let's break 15, baby. Let's do it. Yeah, definitely. I agree. Because these companies are pieces of shit. It's easier to short a piece of shit. Well, right here, guys. Let's see if we're gonna break 15. Let's go. There we go. There's 15, guys. Let's see if we're gonna break. Come on, Wafu. Gotta get that bid over 15. Let's see those bids getting over 15. Coming right into these pre-market highs, right? 1550s at pre-market high, right? I believe so. Yep. HHT is going also. There's SPY. New low there on SPY. SPY breaking below 310. Got Boeing pulling back. Oh wow, big stuff there, guys, on Wafu. May look to exit. Came right up there at pre-market highs. We start the breakdown here. I'm gonna peel. I'm gonna get out. All right, yeah, I'm out, guys. I don't want to get stuck in a downside halt. I'm out. All right, I'm done. Done with it. Yeah, I kind of saw that coming. If after that stuff, I was like, maybe the top there. But yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a clap, guys. I mean, that was a no matter what happened there, I mean, it still was a A+ trade, A+ setup. Beauty. Yeah, I did kill the vibe a little bit, but still, hey, $8.50 to $15 trade. I mean, yeah. Wow, Uncle G. That's a bold move right there, man. Shorting us. But hey, man, nice little entry though, right there. I just love shorting, Nick. Hey, man. No complaints here. Definitely looking like we're pulling back to at least 950, I would say. All right, guys. I'm not really seeing any more questions. What more could I say? I said a lot today. Been a fantastic day. Definitely top 3 probably of the year for me, trading wise. So really psyched about that. And I'll post those charts, everything over in Discord chat. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hope everyone enjoyed. I'm out. Peace.